Hello, in front of me I have AGPTEK LW11 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. Let's start by opening the FitCloud Pro application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the application by tapping on the icon right here. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on the device page you should see that your LW11 right here is connected to your iPhone. Now scroll down and find the unbind button. Tap on it, then tap on confirm to disconnect the device. Now tap on the go settings button right here. This should open the settings for your iPhone. Let's go back to the main page of settings, and on this page find the Bluetooth option. Tap on it. Find the HLW11 device on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. And here tap on forget this device and tap on forget device to disconnect the watch from your iPhone. And once you're done, you can close the settings and the application, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.